a man whom I can only describe as the king of the pipers, Seamus Ennis.
It started anyway with transcribing from cylinders that had been kept, and after that then get on my bicycle and come to Connemara and go around among the people collecting songs, old songs and tunes and bits of Shanachas pertaining there too.
You know, we far cart again cart agus buchas le di go bórse an postcat mar sminig an Irish the gach Seamus, you know, Kjoltorian line was coming can out for the down mar ta kjol tierna heden is for lehannes for den down. Anim Seamus lute on taumar father, you know, ni lenkes an isha kati better accounts the Kjoltori behagt the father var.